Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the low beam light bulb on your Ford Transit. That one right there. This vehicle's a 2015. I'm going to show you how to take it out. It's pretty easy. So, looking at the back of the headlight here, you're going to find this cover. It's just a rubber cover. Go ahead and pull it back. Just like that. Just take it out. Set it aside somewhere where you can recover it. Okay, so we're gonna look inside the headlight now. Let's get some light. Okay, there you can see the light bulb. It's in H11. Yeah, it says the H11C, but you can put a H11. It's the same bulb. Let's go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and twist it. So we're twisting in the up direction, so we're gonna go ahead and just push this one up just like that, and it'll unlock. You'll hear like a click and the bulb will come loose. Go ahead and take it out. Now the harness will only go so far, so now you got to push this clip here. You just push it up with your finger and it'll release. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and take our new bulb. We're using a headlight H11. Now I would recommend not to touch don't touch the part where the bulb is, because if you leave any fingerprints, the bulb can actually wear down prematurely. So we'll be very careful not to touch it. You can see H11. Alright, so what we're gonna do is, okay, let me show you. So right here you can see that one of the little legs there on the side is actually larger than the other one. So an easy way to find out which way it goes, if you look at the actual headlight, you can see one of them is larger than the other one, and that would be the one that's on the left side, right over here. So the bulb is going to go just like this way. Okay, let's take a look inside. And move this one out of the way. We'll just set it aside right there, just like that. Let's take a look in there. Okay, right there you can see the larger leg is on the left side. Let's put the new bulb in there. And now that it's lined up, we're just going to go ahead and twist it down just like that. It'll lock in place, and if you kind of wiggle it around, it should be completely flush, so that way you know it's on there tight. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take the harness. Remember, this one is going to clip onto this. There's like a little notch right here, so we're going to go ahead and just insert it like that, and just push it in. It'll click in. Alright, now let's go ahead and test it. Turn the lights on, and also you got to turn the key to the on position. So this one's a push start. Oh, actually no, it's a key. Go ahead and insert the key. You don't have to start it, just turn the key to the second position. And there it is. It's working. Alright, so we're just going to take the cover now and go ahead and just push it back inside. It should just click in on all sides. Just push it in all around, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, hopefully this helped you out. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you next time. Take care.